Hey everybody, this is Troy and Michelle's Hands from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got some packages arrived in the mail all at once. I got here one that ripped open in my hands as I was talking to the delivery man. I did not look in it though, so let's see what we got. It was heavy, and so as I was holding it in an awkward way, thankfully it made it to my address, but it fell apart in my hands. What do we got here? Triple square spline bit socket set.
There's no more.
What else we got here? What does it say? What is this? I'm gonna have to look it in. Dough better impact. Oh, it's all abbreviated. We'll have to open that up. Let me see. This is Amazon. This is their message in here. To my dear friend from Outback Rancher. Well, let's see what we got here inside. I'm going to set these aside in the package. Let's see what this is. These are things I did not expect and had no idea were coming. What do we have here? Sorry, I bumped the camera. Michelle's excited. She loves opening packages. Interesting. Impact bolt and nut remover set.
What's the other one? What's the other one?
High hardness chrome moly steel. 3/8 inch square drive. Multifunctional surface painting press. These, it says it's a bolt and nut remover set. It's an interesting, very interesting shape.
What's this one?
So you can turn it with a socket wrench.
What's this one? What's this one?
That's an adapter for a socket wrench from a small to a larger. Look at this. It's got, you can use it. This camera, hold on a minute. I can't see what I'm looking at. You can use it, it looks like, with a socket wrench. But what's interesting, let me grab the larger one. The shape inside that. Michelle, can you get me a flashlight? Actually, I think I can see that. Go ahead, get me a flashlight, please, because it's hard to see inside that.
You can use this one.
Okay, thank you. Is that the one you played with the other day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Yeah. Look at that weird shape inside there.
Hey.
I'm going to have to try this out here just to see what it's like.
And you don't need this.
Yeah, it's an adapter. This is interesting.
Whoa, just a tiny one.
So we got, okay, it's metric or standard. Interesting. Very curious.
That's the tiny one.
Yeah, it's like a little flower. It's got a weird spiral pattern, cone-shaped grooves. It's very interesting.
Yeah. What's this? Open this.
Let's see what this is. I'm going to pause the camera while I try to peel this plastic off. Okay, this is something I'm not sure I'm familiar with. I'm going to have to look inside. Michelle's all excited.
Another one?
Now, what do we have here?
Hey.
Heavy duty. You can tell these are quality. This is heavy, heavy, heavy.
What's this?
That's a triple square spline bit socket set. Look at that.
And
That is heavy.
This is
That is no joke.
So tiny.
That one's, well, it's not really tiny, but it's heavy, isn't it? There's a lot of weight to them. Feel it? Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's so heavy.
It is. There's a lot of weight to these. These are high quality.
This is tiny.
Yep. There's a little tiny one. Can you get it?
It's not heavy. It's not heavy.
Where is it? I'm trying to find my camera.
Daddy's not heavy.
Well, that one's little. Pick up the big one. Feel that. This is extremely high quality material.
Hey.
Look at that.
So heavy.
Lexivon. I've actually never heard of the brand. Interesting. I can't wait to get out and try these out later on. These are some interesting. This is dough better.
You have to open this.
Yeah, we're going to open that. So thank you very much, Outback Rancher. Some high quality tools. Alright, Michelle wants me to open this. I gotta pause. I need to get a knife. Hold on.
What's that?
So, I'm hiding the address of the person who sent this. And this is something really unique. I knew this was coming if this is who I think it was. Or what I think it is. Something everybody, including my viewers, will greatly appreciate. Just a minute, Michelle, I gotta cut this. These scissors are no good, really. Oh, slow down, slow down. Take your time. Alright, take that away. And pull these away. There we go. All of them. Now you can take all the plastic away. There you go. There's another one. We have here, you can grab that and grab this little guy and take the box down, please, so we have room to see. Take that box, put it over there, please.
What's this?
And we're going to look. Put that all on the chair. Thank you. We have here
This one. This one.
a very exciting thing that I knew was coming, and it's going to improve everybody's experience on this channel. This is a Sony Handycam. I'm so relieved.
Camera.
Yeah, it's a camera. This is a good camera. The Sony Handy camera is my favorite of all time, of anything I've ever used before.
It's the same.
The camera that I'm using right now will be used as a secondary for angled shots or for... Yeah, I know. This will be used for other angled shots or work shots or something. It is brand new, but I'm not liking it. This is a... Just a minute, Michelle. Slow down. This is a heavy, very hefty camera. And I'm trying to see... Where's the lens cover? I'm used to having a lens cover. Oh, that one's automatic. Oh, wow. Is that normal? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Image stabilization. That is crazy. Michelle, I just realized you were blocking the camera. Look at that. Oh, wow. There's a gyro in that. That's like looking at an animal's eye. Do you see that?
What?
Look at the lens.
What?
It's not moving. The camera moves, the lens doesn't. That is weird. Well, I'll be checking this out in detail later, guys.
Whoa.
This is one of the more advanced Sony Handy cameras. That opens and closes automatically.
Daddy, that's weird.
Yes, it is. So there's the Handy cam. Then there's, I'm betting there's a memory card. I'll be checking this out in detail later. Next, and I'll be putting this other one aside. Slow down, Michelle. Slow down, relax. Not so crazy. I'll get to it. And we got here a charger. And actually, from my understanding, this is a relatively new camera. And here we got a USB extension cable and a charging end. And here we have two brand new batteries. He went above and beyond. He said he was sending me this because he didn't use it, and because of I really not liking this Canon. I'll never buy a Canon again. And went and got two of these extra. So we're going to have some high quality videos here at the Off-Grid Homestead coming up. I'll be doing a full video on this later, and then also I'll be doing a full video review on this one later, so watch for them. We do have another package which Michelle is excitedly pointing at. Here, I believe this is something that I ordered. She's pawing at it like a cat. I think I need better scissors. I don't know about these craft scissors, Michelle. Urgh. I don't have any knives on me at this time.
No knives?
No knives. I know, it's terrible. This is something I ordered for some family fun. This is, after much review and consideration, I got a pocket-sized sluice box. This is a mini sluice for looking for gold. So Michelle, we're going to go into the water, into the streams, and we're going to look for gold. What do you think of that?
Mm-hmm.
So, just check this out. I just wanted to try it. I was looking at reviews. I was curious about it. We got some other stuff, whether I showed in this video or not. Oh, I thought it was Sluice Fox. That's a sticker. I thought so. It doesn't say it on the cover. I was stuttering and hesitating because I thought it was Sluice Fox, but it doesn't say it on the box. And that's the brand name. That's a pretty good name. Oh, it's so little. But according to the videos, it works. Boy, the lighting in here isn't so good. So you can go into a stream, a flowing stream, and you can put your, I'm looking at it backwards. You put your gravel and sand in here in the flow of the stream, and it's going to run it across all these various ridges and hopefully trap your gold, letting the lightweight rocks and minerals drift away. And you'll get only the heavies down in here concentrated in the little chambers. So that is cool. I can't wait to go and try this out, and I'll be doing a full, Michelle, I'm talking on the camera though, I'll be doing a full and complete product review on that later on. Would you like to say hi to everybody since you love to talk so much? Say hi. Hello. Nope, just Michelle's hands. I don't know what that is actually. What's it say? Unparalleled customer service. Oh, okay, good. That's a good thing. Not exciting to you. 100% guarantee. Sluice Fox, I'm not affiliated or associated, but I will put the link down below. I did buy this myself. It is really affordable, and I think it's going to be really fun. It is one of the top names, so we will see how it goes very soon. So watch for it, guys. Well, we've got some really cool stuff arrived today. And thank you, everybody who sent something. And watch for separate videos on everything as I get to them. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Oh, and Michelle. There's Michelle. From the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. You should see her face. Talk to you later.